Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A30s to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, choose the same options in both apps. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Now select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, use all of those categories at the top and pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then hit Receive. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!